Welcome to Azento, the complete digital implant solution. With Azento, implant treatments are custom designed for each patient and tailor-made for every practice, enabling efficient, consistently excellent results for your patients and your practice. The streamlined three-step Azento workflow starts by simply uploading your patient's intra and extraoral scans, along with a brief order form to the case management portal using any web browser. Once the patient scans are uploaded into the case management portal, a complete, customized treatment plan based on over 200,000 previous surgical guides for implant procedures is transmitted within 24 hours for you to view and approve. Your Azento single tooth replacement arrives with materials, equipment, and tools customized to your patient and consistent with your treatment plan. By efficiently taking you from scan to implant to provisional restoration, Azento accelerates processes, reduces patient visits, and frees up your time. In fact, you can expect to receive Azento a mere 5 days from treatment plan approval, which can open the door to more implant patients and a growing practice. For practices of all kinds, patients of all types, and dentists interested in creating efficient implant practices, Azento delivers streamlined and dependable quality from imaging to restoration. Azento enables consistently excellent results and outstanding patient experiences the way you want it, for your patients and your practice.